guys practice everything? Any kind of a doubt or queries, or you're facing any kind of problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what problem you are facing?
Sir, actually, when I payment to customer, that
Mm-hmm.
time I'm getting error, sir. Because sir,
We'll do
when I
one thing.
posting the entry,
Okay.
that time I have taken the 15 March. But when I'm payment to customer, system is showing 15 Feb. So deduction is not showing that time.
Let me check it later, Nisha. First, let us go to the next topic. Okay. So let us finish
Okay.
the next topic. Then at the time of closing the call, that time we'll solve your error and close it off. Okay. So
Okay,
fine.
sir.
So see, the last topic what I told you guys, I told you the last topic that is basically how to maintain the terms of payment and what are the configuration that follows for terms of payment. See here, this is done, dunning is done, terms of payment is done. Okay, so until here it is done, terms of payment configuration is done. The last topic. Today what we'll do, today we shall start with the house banking. We'll start today. So today what we'll do, today we shall start with the house banking. So what is house banking basically stands for, see why we need a bank, okay, why, what is the uses of the bank. See, without banking there is no configuration can be done in SAP system, correct. Banking is must and should needed configuration in SAP. So what is a house banking? See, the company has this bank that is implemented here. Getting, not all the transaction in your company you pass by cash. Correct. Some of the transaction we needed to do by check, RTGS payment, IMPS payment, NEFT payment, UPI payment. Many payments are bank transfer, check payment. So these all will be done by the bank. Okay. So that we need to go and define now. So for that, what I should do? I need to go and define the house bank. So what is the first configuration now? In a define in the house banking, I need to go and define the house bank now. Okay.
For the
In
payment,
house bank.
the payment that does not relate to cash is come under house
The
banking.
payment, it like whatever the payment that does not come by the cash or anything else like third party, those will be done by the bank only. So that time we need the bank. Correct, no? So bank is a must and should required. If cash, whatever is there, no, not all transaction you can do by cash. So that is the reason we create house bank here now. So to create a house bank, what I'll do, let us go to SAP. So where do we create a house bank? For that we'll go for SPRO, SAP references IMG. So to create a house bank, we go for financial accounting here. And then it comes under here bank accounting. And it comes under here bank accounts. Here we have it. Define house banks we have step. Okay. It comes under the financial accounting, under bank accounting, under bank account, and it comes under define house banks. So define house bank is where we create a in-house banking. So what to do, go to define house bank. Then what to do, give the company code under which company we are creating house bank. Under that AA 6666. Okay. Just a second guys, I'm waiting call 2 minutes. Hello. Hello. घर में से बोलो बोलो घर में से बोलो हेलो 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 बोलो घर में से so what you going to do, one just second I'm waiting. हेलो घर में जो बोलो ड्यूटी चले ऑन ड्यूटी से बोलो नमस्ता नमस्ता हो तो नमस्ता बेटा का नमस्ता वही है नमस्ता हो लिया होगा नमस्ता हो 9 o'clock में 9 o'clock में बेटो तो चले नहीं 9 o'clock में देखो okay. So what do you do, give the company code here, then click on enter after that. So once you give company code enter here, then what you do, click on new entries after that. Okay, जैसे आप यहाँ पे like what you do, once you click on new entry, the system will ask you which house bank are you creating. See here. So to specify the bank, which house bank you are creating. For example, I will take the bank house bank as now. Anything, let us take like ICICI. I will take. Okay, then I'll take a bank country key in India, and bank key we should give any kind of a 6 to 7 digit code here. Bank key is just like a IFSC code. Ready? You maybe heard about IFSC code in a bank. That is IFSC code. Okay, so I'll take a bank key as a ICICI, any kind of a number like this. House bank ICICI, bank key, country India, bank key ICICI 324. Then telephone number, I'll take any kind of telephone number. Contact person, any name, I'll take it as here. Then what you do, click on create here. This is the communication data with the bank. Okay. Then what you do, click on create here. After giving bank country key, bank key, telephone number, contact person name, click on create here. Once you click on create here, then system will ask you the bank name. I'll put here Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. Then region code where this banks belongs to, I'll take it as here. See, anything you can take. I'll take example for like now. Let us take like Karnataka. Street address I'll take Marathalli, Bangalore. City I'll take it as here Bangalore. Bank branch I'll take it as here Bangalore. Something like that. Anything you can take. Where this bank is located, should be that one. And IFSC code. Sorry, this shift code. Shift code is what exactly? It is a central code given by all the bank, given to all the bank. Okay, shift key is a very important key. Without this, you cannot do any kind of international banking transactions. Okay, your international banking transaction will be blocked if this gets deactivated. So that we need to give it here. It will be given by the company if they have international banking transactions that time. Okay, so I'll take it an example like ICICI, any kind of number you can put here like this. Then what we do, after this much of detail, click on continue. So once you continue, now what you do, double click on bank accounts here. Now you need to create a bank account. You created a house bank, you created house bank, you given all the detail of the house bank. Now we need to go and create house bank account. So go to double click on bank accounts, click on new entries. What is the account ID? It is asking. Account ID will be like customer account ID. What is there? I'll take example like anything like this. Any company is there, that account ID will be there. So let me take like ICI company code 66. TA66. TA66 is my company code. I'll take 66. Description I'll put here current account of a company TA66. Then comes here account number, any kind of account number, any alternate account number, and GL account I'll take 2 as a bank. Then currency, I'll take it as an INR. Then, so after giving this much of detail, what is GL account? 2 bank means I'm linking here my bank account, the one which I have created. So here, 2 is my bank account, and currency is INR. Then what to do? After click on save. So once you click on save here, now system will ask you, do you want to save, enter? Then the system will ask you, do you want to transport IBAN? No, you do it. What is IBAN basically? IBAN basically stands for international banking. This one. Okay. The company will give you a 16-digit number that we give it here. Okay. If you have a foreign customers in your company code, that time what we do, we use this IBAN number. That time, only that time. Now it is not required. So what I'll do, I'll close it. Then what you do, click on save. Done, that's it. My house bank is created. Under company code TA66 ICICI created. Now take it back, take it back, take it back, take it back. Now save. In one company code, you can create how many house bank you want. In a one company code, you can create how many house bank you want, you can create, doesn't matter. I have created as of now one. If you want, you can create multiple house bank under one company code. It is possible to do. So now I created one bank, save and take it back. Done. So once the house bank is created, first configuration is done. Then what to do second? Number ranges for chocolate. So you need to create a chocolate here. Ready? How many kind of chucks you want to use for a company, everything that can be created. So where do we create a chocolate? To create a chocolate, where you should go? You need to go for financial accounting here. Another accounts for accounts payable here. Under that it comes under here business transaction. Under it comes under here outgoing payment. Under it comes under here automatic outgoing payment. Here comes under that comes under payment media. Under that comes under here check management. Here is AC. Define number ranges for checks. So define numbers for checks is the where we create a check lot. So it comes under the financial accounting, receivable payables, under that business transactions, under that outgoing payment, under that automatic outgoing payment, under that payment media, under that check management, under define number ranges for checks. You should go. Okay, go to define numbers for checks. Go here. Then what you do? Select here the house bank. Under which house bank you are creating check lot. Click on the box here and select here the ICICI the house bank, and then here account ID. See. Account ID same ICI 66. It will come by default if you click on the box by company code. Then what you do? Click on change here. Click on change. Okay, click on change. Then click on create. Click on change. Click on create. Then here it is asking me lot number. I'll take lot number as a 001. First lot. In a first lot I am having 001 to 050 checks, or I'll take 100 check lots. I'll take 100 check lot. 001, 001 to 100 check lot. Then what do you do after that? Click on continue. 001, 0 to 100 check lot, and you want this check to be sequential, not sequential. It is this here. If you keep it non-sequential, then what will happen if you take this one? You can use a check 001, 005 directly. 005, 007, 008. You can directly use from 1 to 5 to 10, 20 like that. Okay, and if you don't take this non-sequential, it will be sequence wise. Check should if you, now see, if you use 001, the next should be 002. If you use 002, next should be 003 like that. It comes sequence wise. If you don't take this one, understanding? So now what you do? I want it in sequence wise. I want to keep it in sequence wise, so I'll take 0 to 100 check lot, continue. See. Then it is asking me short information. I'll take here like this. Check lot for company code TA66. Then click on save. Done. So once this much configuration is done, my check lot is created. Then there is another one option called here define wide reason code option is available here. What is wide reason code? Basically means why we use a wide reason code. Wide reason code is used to do that if any kind of a check is get bounced, if check goes misimprinted, if check goes stolen, that time uses wide reason code. Okay, you can go here, you can define your own reason. For what reason check you are cancelling the check. I'll tell you the letter. Okay, I'll tell you later how to cancel the check, how to, if the check is stolen, what to do, what not to be do. Now it is not required here. You can create that one. So once this much is done, my second configuration is done. My check lot is house bank is created, check lot is created. What next is there now? Linking house bank in FS00. See what I'll do? I'll type here /n00. Okay, go to /n FS00, and what you do? Change your company code to TA66. It is correctly has come. Now go to asset side, right click on bank, click on a change. Go to asset side, right click on bank, click on a change, then go to first change the name. What is the name? ICICI. The background noise from someone, I don't know who is that. I think Selma, there's background noise from your side. Please mute yourself. Selma, there is a background noise from आपके तरफ से background noise आ रहा है. Can you mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. So ICICI bank account, same ICICI bank account. You need to change the name, ICICI bank account here. Then go to create bank interest after that. Go to create bank interest. You see bank financial details in company code is there here. Correct? You need to tick this relevant to cash flow. You should tick this one. Why we tick this one relevant to cash flow? Because any transaction we pass by the bank, it will flow. It will flow. That is the reason. And here house bank. What is my house bank? ICICI. And what is my account ID? ICICI 66. You should take this, link your house bank and link your account ID and click on save, enter save. So my house bank has been linked to my GL account. So once this much is done, the next to what we do now, make a vendor invoice in FB60, clear the payment in F53 with the bank. So see what I got to do. I need to pass a vendor invoice in FB60 and I will clear that payment in F53 with the bank. So how to do that one? First go to FB60. Make an invoice. Company code.
Previously, we are clearing the cash, clearing the vendor payment through cash. Now we are doing
Cash
with the bank.
through bank. See.
Okay.
So I'll select here the vendor now. What I'll do, I'll select a vendor, first vendor, I'll take a date, I'll pass anything amount of 60,000, being goods purchased from third party, 301 purchase amount star. Here comes the input tax code. My input tax code is the company code TA66. My input tax code is T6. Text as a plus. Then click on a stimulate and post. Okay, what is the transaction code to check the vendor display? FBL. Yes, transaction code to check the vendor display FBL. 1N. I hope you guys remember the transaction codes. I told you, FBL 1N, go here, give the company code and select here the vendor. Which vendor are you displaying? Select that one here. First vendor, I want to check all the item, but only today's date. Execute. So see here, 60,000 invoice is done. This 60,000 invoice, I want to clear the payment with the bank. Where? In F53. So what I'll do, I'll keep it like this. I'll open another screen. I'll go for F-53 now. I'll go to F-53. I'll give the date. I'll put here check paid. I'll put here check paid to vendor. See, instead of cash 1, I take it as 2 as a bank. Here I'll put how much amount payment is there? 60. I'll put full 60. I'll put here same check paid to vendor. And select here the account. Account means which vendor? 2 or there I'll take first one. Then after that, select document number, process of one item. Then once I click on process of one item now system will ask me document number. What's the document number? 308, give 308 and process of one item. Now once I process see discount also get calculated. 20% discount came. I don't want this discount. If I don't want this discount calculated, so what I'll do, I'll just go and deactivate here. Otherwise, I can double click on this. Both are same. See. Activate, deactivate, activate, deactivate. So I don't know discount as of now. I'll say post. Now what I do, refresh and check. See what is the payment is done by bank. Double click on this. Click on third option. See. ICICI bank account has credited. Whose bank account got credited? His bank account got credited. So once this much is done, now what we do, payment is done by the bank. Now what we do after this much is done, create a check in FCH5 with the help of clear document number. Now what I should do, with the help of this document number, I need to create a check now. With the help of this document number. So what I'll do, I'll keep this screen like this. I'll go here. So where do we create a check? We create a check from SAP menu. Under that it comes under here accounting, financial accounting, banks, environment, check balance, create FCH5 manual check. You should go here. FCH5 manual check. Go here. Once you go here, then you check number which you are using. What is the first number? Check number, lot number is 001. First check. Correct. And payment document number came automatic here. See, if you are doing a fresh entry, all will come automatic. Fresh entry if you are doing. See, 415 came automatic. See, 415. Clear document number. This is the clear document number. See. And company code came automatic, fiscal came automatic, house bank came automatic, account ID came automatic. If this doesn't come automatic, then you should select it. Now check number also came automatic. Now what we do? Enter. So after giving so much of detail, now click on enter. Now once you click on enter, see here. Payee name, vendor name has come. Vendor name has come here. Amount paid 60,000 has come here. All detail has come. See vendor detail. Now what you can do, we can accompany document. Accompany document means we can check what would be the entry. The entry would be this. Ready? And what would be the payment document if you pass this entry? Payment document is this. Through that check, this is the payment document. Now what I'll do, I'll go and post it. Post means save. So once I save, system is show me check TA66 ICICI 6600 created manually. Ready? The check got created. Now I want to check this check. What check I created? I want to check it. To check that check, where you should go and check it? You should go and check it under the FCHN. Displaying of check transactions. Okay, it is called check register. It is called. So where do you go and check the check register there now? It comes under here. Is back display FCHN. It comes under here. Go to display FCHN. Go here. Then give the company code. What is the company code? TA66. And what is the house bank? ICICI. What is the account ID? ICICI 66. Now you want to check with line item, without line item. It is changing. It is showing here. First I'll check without line item. Now execute. So once you execute without line item, see 60,000. Sarma Company Limited through this bank ICICI Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. See check number 001. 60,000 payment is done. To this vendor.
One question is that when we are making bank entries in the system, so physically we are giving check to vendor, right?
Yeah, that will be done by the physically by other team, but we are entering the detail under the system.
Means to say that just we are telling this in the system that we have paid this vendor through check.
Check. We paid this vendor amount through check. Through which check? Through this 001. First check. Through this bank.
Yeah, but I think when bank entries in a bank book will be a different check number, right?
That will be different check actually. This is by your system. In a bank entry, no, that will be different check number will be there. That is actually physical. We are telling. In system, you should enter that this payment is done by check. Okay, the bank people what they do, they can keep same as sequence check number also, same as this. They can keep it like this same also, or they can take different also. Doesn't matter. It left to them.
Okay.
See. Now see, this is with line item. See. System check is done. Now check with the check payment is done. Okay. Then these three are optional steps. These three steps are very much optional. Why optional? The reason because see, cancellation of payment and voiding of check. When you cancel the payment, when you void the check, when anything happens with the check, for example, the check got misimprinted. Okay, the check got stolen. The check has been stolen, misimprinted. There are many reasons are there. Correct, no? So that time what we do, we cancel the check and we void the check that time. So what I'll do here now, I'll go here. Where we do that one to cancel check and void check, go to void FCHA cancel payment. See. The payment which is already done by the check. The payment which is already done by the check, no, it should be cancelled. It should be reversed. The payment should be reversed and should be voided. For what reason? I'll tell you. Go here. See which check number you want to void? Only one. See. Check payment to be reversed. This one. Suppose this is optional actually. If something happens to check that time, this check number 001 and void reason codes here. I told you know where we can create this one: stolen, destroyed, incorrect, lot inserted, many others. So I'll take here as a stolen. For example, I'll take a reason as a stolen. And void reason code I'll take it as here reversal in current period. I want to reverse it in current period. Then you can go and display the entry, display check information. Check information. This is the check information 001 Hyderabad C vendor. Now what I'll do, I'll go and see it is showing me reverse of check payment is possible. Now I'll cancel it. Now once I click on cancel, What will happen here now? System will tell me payment for check 0 was cancelled. Reverse document number 20. Now go and check the check. Please and refresh. Cancel. Ready? Payment got reversed. That's 2020 came here and payment came into balance again. Wapas. Now go and check the display. Go and check the check now. What has happened with the check? Display FCHN. Go here and check now. What will be happening with the check? It will tell you. See, voided by admin. Reason stolen. I told you no, even you can create your own reason stolen. See, due to check was stolen, it got voided and check number has come 001. Payment document number 415. Payment dates. Got it? Now what we do? Once this much is done now we go and delete that check. The check which we voided, we go and delete that. Okay, deleting is optional. If you delete the check, no, you can use the same check. Okay, see now the payment is pending. You want to do this payment with another check. You have two options now. One option is that you can use 002 because 001 is already voided. Unless until you don't delete it, you cannot use that 001. After deleting, you can use 001 check number. Okay, now what I'll do, I delete this check and I'll again another one check I'll create with that payment. So what I'll do, I'll go and delete check now. Take back, delete FCHE voided check. Go here and give check number 001 and click on execute. Now once I execute, system is asking me should check information be deleted. Yes. Now go and check the check. The check won't be there in the check register. See. Go here and check. It will tell you, system will tell you, see, no check exists which meets selection criteria. Why? Because you deleted the check permanently. Understood? So now what I'll do, that payment what is there, I will link another check to this. So what I'll do, I'll go and do the payment. F53. Process I'll do, document number 308. Again I'll process. Now I'll deactivate this. I'll say what number has come now? 416. See now new number has come 416. To this 416 what I'll do? I'll create a check now. Create FCH file. See 416 came. What number should I give here now? 002 or 001? Tell me. 001 or 002? What number should I give here now? What number will come? Anyone? 001 or 002?
I think 001 only because we have deleted that.
Exactly. If I don't delete that one, then
2 will be
Another one.
I think why 2 will come because it will be under the void reason only. The check will be under the void reason. I'll take 1 and enter. I'll save now. See. Check created. Check has been linked to that one. Now see it will display. Now go and check. The payment has been done by check. See. Correct 001. Understood? Now if I void this one and create once again. For example, I'll go to void. Now I'll go to void, cancel payment I'll do. Okay, now see, again came balance, again I'll go and clear this payment, another one time. Four on 7, see 4 on 7 came. Okay, now tell me if I create a check with the 4 on 7, can I use 001? Can I use 001 now?
No.
Yes
No.
or no?
No, sir.
Why no? Why no?
because we do not have deleted that.
Exactly.
Right, sir.
If I use 001, next free lot number is 002. Ready? Now go and check the display. Both is showing. FCHN. One was voided, one was payment done letter. So this is how we do the house banking configuration under the system. And still many topics you'll get in this house banking topic. Still many you will get under house banking. So this is how the house banking configuration done under SAP. And until here we are done with the house banking. And related to banking, we get different topic. Next topic also related to banking only. So that I'll tell you on the tomorrow. Tomorrow is okay, on Monday. So Monday I'll tell you automatic payment program. This is a very big topic, very interesting topic. So until here you need to practice it in your SAP system. Clear guys? Any doubts? Yeah, that any doubts with this topic? Okay, no.
No, sir.
Fine. Nisha, your doubt, no? Let us go and clear your doubt now. Where are you getting that doubt? Which step that one?
On the payment time.
Payment time. 1 second, wait.
Payment to customer.
Payment to customer. No, you have 28. Correct? First of all,
Yes,
let me check. You have 5. What is your company code?
456.
Which customer?
Second.
Two 210 is there. Okay, first one 15.2. 15.2 is a payment time is applied. 10% 10 days to this.
Yes, sir.
15.2.
This is the error,
Correct?
sir. Date error. Yes, sir.
15 to 2020. This is correct. Yesterday you made this entry, correct? No?
Yes,
You
sir.
made entry yesterday. You made the entry yesterday, this one.
Yes, sir.
Why are
But
taken 15 to date?
sir, I remember I taken the sir 15 March, but I don't know how to.
No, you are not taken 15 March, you are taken 15 to date actually. Okay. 15 March are not taken. There is no 15 March date is available here. You have taken 15 to and posted the entry. That date only it came. Yeah.
Okay. We can
Ready?
edit it or not, sir.
You just keep it like this or reverse this entry. Reverse the entry, will go under clearing. If wrongly this entry has happened, no. Otherwise, leave it like this. It doesn't bother you.
Okay,
Create a
okay.
new, create another new FB70. Create another new entry with second customer. Today's date.
Okay, okay, sir.
Then you try for that. 23 amount detail and put here being goods purchase sold to third party 201 star. What is the tax code? Output tax code?
4N.
4N.
Output
Okay.
like
GL account 201 permits only tax code 4N.
5N.
Tax code
5N. Output is 5N, sir.
4N now. 5N then say. Now go and check today's entry is posted. Now when you clear this payment sheet has come 16.3. You can type
Okay.
here only. You can go and you can type here and check.
Yes, sir.
Ready? And see in your server, no, the format is not correct. So select here, go here and select here one SAP. One SAP is a standard format. Click on this, it will come in correct format. Which format I use, that format will come. Because many people have created their own format here. See, this many people have created. But
Okay.
their own format I created, so that will be a problem to see. So better use one SAP is a standard one.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Fine, then your doubt is solved. Yes, Ashish, you any doubt?
No.
No, clear? And Hafsa and Salma, you guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, practicing no? I don't think you guys are practicing. Maybe I hope you guys are practicing.
Yes, sir.
Doing no? Okay. Unless until you don't practice, you won't get in SAP system how it will work. Practice is very important in SAP. Okay, fine then guys. Let's see you guys on the directly on the we have class directly on the Monday. Next one. So until Monday, complete everything until where I taught you. Until here up to the banking system. Okay. So Monday I'll start with the automatic payment program. Chalo guys, see you. Thank you. Good night. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye.